Welcome to my gardening channel. Today, I will talk about front yard shrubs garden. I hope that you will be fine. If you want to get more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So, let's get started. Best shrubs to grow in front of house. Add some evergreen shrubs for the front of your house to add some curb appeal today. Many cultivars are available for the front of your house, from flowering shrubs to deciduous shrubs. So, increase your home's curb appeal by choosing some of the beautiful shrubs. Choosing evergreen shrubs for foundation plantings. The front of your house displays unique qualities and needs some evergreen foliage to match it. For the back, you can be more relaxed to brighten up the entertaining to activity areas. But for the front yard, you want to create picture-perfect landscaping leading to your main door. For this reason, you want more defined shapes to showy blooms. Hence, foundation plantings for the front garden are essential to bringing out the home's walls, borders, and beds. Still, it all depends on the size of your yard, and if it is small, you can still get away with a bed, borders, and some screens softening the front windows to the main entrance. Choose an evergreen shrub in proportion with your home. The truth is, you do not want to end up with huge bushes covering the whole facade, but also do not want dwarf shrubs for the front growing flowers. So, for foundation plantings, it helps to choose a medium-sized shrub that is a slow-growing shrub. Some common shrubs for the front are your low conifers, boxwood shrubs, and rose bushes. Choose shrubs with clear shapes that do not hide windows. Yes, you want to mix and match the heights of the outdoor plant for the front to display the beauty of your home. These can be round bushes and more. If you want taller bushes, you can add them close to walls and grow shorter ones in front of windows. Choose flowering shrubs, adding interest year-round. No one wants their garden to look barren during a winter landscape. Hence, choosing an evergreen shrub mixed with other plants helps. Also, select showy shrubs with colorful flowers and foliage to make the front of your house more attractive. How to use your shrubs for the front yard? You can use an evergreen shrub to the edge of the front entrance path to make it look beautiful. Or grow your shrubs for the front as a hedge to give it privacy. Shrubs also work well to delimit areas like at a side entrance or the garage, growing low bushes detached from the flower beds and the front lawn. You can even plant shrubs in flower beds or at borders to give height and structure to them. Lastly, choose your shrubs to match the house's landscaping and design. Best dwarf varieties and other shrubs for the front of your house. With an evergreen flowering shrub, you can get a year-round structure. Still, incorporating deciduous shrubs adds exciting texture to colorful blooms. These add visual interest to plantings year-long. So, choose some foundation plants with a long blooming season and add color from late spring to early summer and early fall. Some shrubs that come to mind are your deciduous shrub, displaying attractive berries with winter foliage and lush foliage in summer. Several varieties of flowering shrubs for the front yard. If you want to make a big impression, then a flowering shrub is eye-catching to have become the focal point to the main entrance. So, here are some of our best ones to choose from. Rosa spp comprises many varieties that work well as landscaping shrubs. The best part is you can grow them as hedges, create an entire rose garden with enough space, or in containers. But you do not want tall varieties, and a popular choice is the hybrid tea roses, floribunda varieties, and your English shrub roses. Roses is a perfect foundation plant, growing about 5 feet tall. The shrubs mentioned above are reblooming varieties that start in late spring to keep flowering through to fall and even in frost. Hence, you have colors and fragrances throughout the seasons. Still, roses are high maintenance, need full sun exposure, and work well in well-lit open spaces. These shrubs grow well in partial shade in hot climates but are suitable in USDA zones 5 to 9. Roses also need well-drained soil with organic matter. It needs slightly alkaline to acidic soil with regular watering and constant humidity but not soggy. You can find them available with red, pink, and white flowers. Hydrangea for front yards. With partial shade in the Hydrangea spp, you can find different color varieties with large and showy blooms with green foliage. In addition, these shrubs display pastel colors ranging from violet purple to white flowers. The evergreen indoor plant can grow tall, while you can find a dwarf shrub under windows. Its dark green leaves display freshness year-round from spring to fall. The dense shrub has a natural round growth habit and a herbaceous yet informal look. The multi-stemmed shrub grows well in the USDA zones 5 to 9 in the dappled shade of trees but can also grow well in full sun. The blooming time is summer. They can grow up to 5 feet tall. The soil requirement is well-drained clay, loam, or sandy soil with a mildly acidic to alkaline pH level. But these house landscaping shrubs do need a fair amount of humidity. Azalea shrubs and rhododendron. The rhododendron SPP variety displays spectacular blooms, and your small varieties of azaleas are perfect. Some flowers have a gorgeous smell, and some favorite colors are available. You find summer blooms in purple, red, oranges, violet, white, and even pink flowers. English lavender is perfect for the front yard. Lavandula angustifolia is a drought-tolerant, sun-loving flowering shrub. You can grow them as foundation plants, beside paths, and as borders. These species grow in a medium size and have an intoxicating fragrance with repeated blooms. The colors range from lavender, pink, and violet, and the white flowers bloom in late spring to midsummer, while they can bloom longer in warmer climates. It is a winter gem that has beautiful blooms and remains green year-round. Another benefit is that it attracts pollinators and fits into any landscaping. Furthermore, it grows well in the USDA zones 5 to 9 with full sun exposure reaching up to 4 feet tall. The evergreen shrub prefers well-drained soil, and it is rocky soil tolerant. Create a beautiful shrub garden in front of the home. As you can see, you can pick a few varieties that are best suited for your garden. Yet, you can find many others that even form a ground cover. When choosing the best shrubs and you have a busy schedule, it helps to select a low-maintenance one to make your gardening a breeze. Choose your beautiful shrubs wisely for your front yard so that all envy your garden. Another last note is to choose non-invasive species that will not cause havoc in your foundation planting. Happy gardening! If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.